Traders, it's Eddie here from TradeView and welcome to episode 265 of Trading Talk. As you might know, we've been flat out on the desk here with the launch of the trading side of our business. As an automated trading firm, we're big fans of using technology to get the job done and make the process easier. And that's why this week's Trading Talk episode has been created by one of our AIs. In this week's episode, we show traders how to open and fund a live trading account so they can start trading with our 100% cloud-based technology. To get the ball rolling and start trading with TradeView, make your way over to the tradeview.tech website and simply select the Start Trading button to create your account and gain access to the platform straight away. If you already have a TradeViewX account, log into your TradeViewX platform, go to My Profile, Trading Accounts, and follow the prompts accordingly. Once you have a trading account with TradeView, you can access all your existing content by logging in through the tradeview.tech website. That's all from me, and Nathan will be back next week on the Trading Talk desk to share some of the secrets behind the popular scalping model he showed on the webinar we ran earlier in the week. I'll hand you over to our AI to show you how to complete your account setup and funding process, and until next week, all the best with your trading.
Hi traders, and welcome to TradeViewX. In this short video, we are going to cover how to create a live account and make your first deposit. First, make your way to the bottom right of the platform where you will find the My Profile section, and from here, you can select Create New Live Trading Account. Before an account can be created, you will need to provide 100 points of identification. To do this, select KYC documents and then select the documents you would like to upload. For this example, I will select passport and driver's license. After you have successfully uploaded your documents, our compliance team will check and approve your uploads, and you will now be able to create a live account and make your first deposit. Now that your documents have been approved, you will be able to create a new live account and make a deposit. Go to Trading Accounts and select Create New Live Trading Account and input your preferred account settings, and now click Create. Here in Trading Accounts, you can see your new account details, and to make a deposit or withdrawal, click on Funding. This will take you to the Funding section. To make your first deposit, select Bank Transfer, the account you would like to deposit into, and a minimum of $200. From here, log into your bank account and make an international transfer to the below TradeView account. You should see something similar to this. After you have successfully made the transfer, click the Deposit button, and now you need to upload the bank transfer details into the KYC Documents section by selecting the bank statement option. After your transfer has been completed, your funds will appear in your account. If you have any further questions, please contact the support desk. Thanks for choosing TradeViewX.